Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a pan fry pork chops, boneless pork chops, right? And I'm going to take the opportunity to do a review on this product behind. It's a pepper powder manufactured by Trinidad. It's a Trinidad and Tobago product, right? I'm so happy to do this review with Scotch bonnet pepper, and it's a pepper powder. So stay tuned. So I found these beautiful pieces of pork chops in the grocery store today. They are boneless and skinless, right? So I said I really have to do a recipe with these pieces of pork chops. They look so attractive, you know. So I said I'll do this recipe. I'm going to do a pan fried, right, boneless, skinless pork chops. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash them up with some lime juice, and then I'm going to season them up nicely, Caribbean style, baby. Okay, so here's my 3 pieces of pork chops, boneless pork chops. I washed it up with some lime juice, and now I'm going to just season it. I have some homemade seasoning, green seasoning, right? About a tablespoon and a half. Have onion, garlic, parsley, chive, the works. So there's nothing more to be added but besides some salt, some black pepper, and just mix everything together and allow this to marinate for a good few hours. Let that seasoning soaking get to the pieces of pork. And to me, in my opinion, the best herb for pork is garlic. Well, that's if you like garlic. So I'll just mix that in well. And I'll just let this marinate. Okay, I'll be back. So I finally got this product, right? It's called Tony's. The brand name is Tony's. It's Scotch bonnet pepper powder, right? I'm so anxious to try this because I saw it last year when I went to Trinidad, actually early on this year, but I wasn't able to get it in the grocery stores, and I was able to contact him via Instagram, and he said that there are certain stores that have the product but not all the stores, and the stores that where they are being sold, I wasn't able to get to the store because where I'm living is a little distance from where I was living, right, in Trinidad. So I didn't get the product early on this year. So a friend got it for me yesterday. I got it yesterday, so I'm so anxious to try it, right? I haven't opened it as yet. It's nicely sealed. I'll try and get more information about this owner. He's a Trinidadian making this product, right? Scotch bonnet pepper powder. All right, so what I'm going to do, I am going to season the flour with a bit of this, and just like the season the flour with a bit of this. Okay, I've removed the cover, and there is a seal to the top. I'll have to take off this part to get the seal off. It's nicely packaged. It's a very sturdy bottle, right? And let me just give it a taste with my finger. So let me see if I can read the ingredients here for you closely. For exciting, unique experience, try Trinidad's finest flavors in a bottle. Proudly grown and manufactured in TNT. Tony brings to your taste this distinct Caribbean taste that makes your dishes come alive. Enjoy. Product of Trinidad and Tobago, manufactured by, what is that? Can't see so good. Eco Pure Product, Trinidad Limited. Anderson Terrace, Marval. And there's the website address here. Okay, so I tasted a small pinch of it, and it's very fiery. My tongue is still burning a small bit of it. So when I add into the flour, I'm going to add a very small amount of this pepper powder. Okay, I have some flour here, so I'm going to season the flour a bit. I'm going to use this garlic and parsley. I'm going to use this garlic and parsley seasoning, right? See, it has no MSG. And I'm going to use a bit of the pepper powder that I showed you a little while ago. Very fiery, be warned. And that's it. I'm going to season the flour very, very simply. I'm not going to add any more salt. And yeah, that's it. I'm not going to take any chances. Just mix that together. And I'm going to coat my pork chops with this seasoned flour. Now I have my pot on the stove, my frying pan, so I'm just going to put the pork chops to fry. I have my fire on medium heat. Okay folks, so here's a piece of one of the pork chops, right? Looking beautiful, lovely color. Let's see how it tastes, and also in respect to the pepper powder. Nice. It's nice and tender. It's really refreshing to be able to cook a piece of pork that doesn't take a lot of cooking, you know. Tastes good. I'm not tasting the pepper. Like I said before, I'm very cautious not to put too much. But I'll have to play around with it some more and see how much I could tolerate. But the first bit that I tasted, it was really, really spicy. It's so good, so good. So I don't really eat pork on a regular basis, but occasionally. But like I said before, when I went to the grocery store, I saw the pieces of pork and it looked so attractive that I had to get some and do a recipe with it. My mouth is full. Let me finish eating. Okay, so in respect to the pepper powder, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. You can easily find him on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, I'll find another way. I think I'll get his website where you can get the product in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, so you know. But I just he approached me some time ago, asked me to review the product, but like I said before, I wasn't able to get it while I was in Trinidad earlier on this year. So I'll try and get as much information as I can. So if you're interested in getting the product, you could always check it out. Right? So I was like I did in my last video, I want to do a shout out again to the people who have supported my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of my subscribers and supporters. Thank you so much. If you are interested in supporting me through my Patreon account, I'll leave a link on the top right hand part of the screen if I can. If not, I'll leave a link in the end screen, and also you'll see one in the description box below, so you could also check it out. All right, this is it today for my pan-fried pork chops, very, very nice, and I enjoy that. And surprisingly, my husband said he would like a piece, but I think he could tolerate it because the pepper is not that. I didn't taste much of it, so it's not that spicy. So I think he could handle it. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.